Hi students, question number 7. An AC voltage source has the output of V equal to 200 sin 2 pi f into t. This source is connected to a 100 ohm resistor. The RMS current in the resistor has to be determined. It's a very interesting and very easy question. First, the given equation you check once again. V equal to 200 into sin 2 pi f into t. So this is compared to the equation V equal to V0 sin omega t. So 200 is the peak value. So V peak, the peak value of voltage is denoted by V0, and that is given as 200 volt. It is connected to a resistance R equal to, so R equal to 100 ohm, and the RMS value of the current is asked. So V RMS is to be determined. Now from the peak value of the voltage and the resistance, we can find out the peak value of the current. So the peak value of the current is taken as I0. Okay? And this is equal to V0 divided by R. So this is equal to 200 divided by 100. So this is equal to 2. Therefore, the peak value of the current is equal to 2 ampere. Now quickly some students will think that this is the final answer and none of the above only they will be thinking. But what we have determined is I0. I0 is called as what? The maximum value of the current or the peak value of the current. But what is asked in the question? The RMS value, root mean square value of the current is asked. Therefore, IRMS, okay, IRMS is equal to I0 by root 2. So, this is equal to 2 divided by root 2. So, this is equal to root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. Therefore, IRMS is equal to root 2 ampere. This is the answer. But what is the value of square root of 2? This is also equal to 1.414. Okay, 1.414 ampere. So, you check the first option A is correct. So, option A is the correct answer. Therefore, option A is to be clicked here. I hope you must have understood that. Fine.